What's up, folks? Quick update on Raven. Monday, she was in for her dyno tune. Put down 360 to the wheels on the stock intercooler, which was being overrun by the slightly larger turbo. Intake air temps were a little higher than we would like to see, so the decision was made to go with a Mishimoto black. That has arrived. I believe it is being installed like literally as I record this video. And I don't know if they'll get it back on the dyno today. It's probably going to happen tomorrow or Friday, but it sounds like there will be video coming out of that dyno session. So as soon as that's in my inbox, I'll get it posted for you all to view. And then secondary to that, I've been researching video setups, trying to figure out what would be the best configuration for the content I'm looking for and trying to produce. So ideally, I want to have more of like an aerial perspective of the car, kind of like looking down the front of the vehicle and giving you a wider perspective. Not so much of the car itself, but like the surroundings, and then leaning heavily on a dual mic setup, one on the intake side, one on the exhaust. And that's why if you look back at some of the initial videos that I was posting on the original build, those test videos were kind of meant as a way for me to put content out and see, like, if from an audio quality standpoint, what is going to be the best suited for what I'm trying to make here. I don't know, like, there won't be a lot of talking or interior sort of viewpoints of the vehicle moving forward. Maybe sometimes, but my ultimate goal is just like relaxing backroads driving with some spirited driving here and there. I would like to see if it's possible to pull data from my Cobb access port and then sync that up to the video so that you can at least get an idea of what's happening from a performance standpoint with the car while it's driving. I know there may be people that want to see the tachometer, they want to see the speedometer. Drop a comment below if that's important or you think that would make the videos more interesting. Then I may reconsider the setup. But right now, probably going to be like a Hero 12 or 13 GoPro that is attached to like the very front of the roof, kind of angled down a little bit toward the hood to give you just a wider perspective of the surroundings. Obviously, the car is a focal point of the video, but there are a lot of really beautiful roads here around Missouri. And over the years, I'll be, probably road tripping quite a bit and traveling across the country to see really just what's out there. I haven't really explored too much outside of like basic road trip videos. So I'm really excited to get out and explore some roads purely for the intent of kind of like recording that experience and showing other people some like really awesome roads, because especially within Missouri, it's called a flyover state. People just drive and, I mean, they don't drive past it, they fly over it because there's apparently nothing to see here. However, if you're familiar with Missouri and our back roads, the rolling hills are absolutely beautiful. So I really want to showcase some of that from the standpoint of the car itself, with the audio being probably the most important part of that whole equation. So again, if you have thoughts, preferences, ideas, criticisms, whatever it may be, drop a comment below. More than happy to field feedback, take criticism. I'm not afraid of criticism. So here we go, boys. Peace.